My name's Peter. I'm the founder of Tology Wellness Ltd. My mission is to create hot saunas and cold tubs and spaces for people to use those two things in. Nice to see some familiar faces. Is it anybody's first time here? Yeah, right on, awesome. Thank you for coming. I think you're gonna have a really great time. I've always been a huge sauna enthusiast. So I was looking for a place that I could go hot, cold cycle and just decompress, unwind, and there wasn't a great place to do that in Vancouver. So my frustration with the lack of infrastructure for it kind of led me down this road of thinking why don't we just do it?
Yeah,
let's do it. I'm ready.
I reached out to Valtteri, somebody I'd met years ago who was starting a sauna business 3 years ago. And as we were looking for a place to do it, we kind of looked back behind our brewery and was like, why don't we just try it here first? Test the market, prove the concept, find out what people like and learn about the business. And that's exactly what we've done.
You're creating a container for community to be built.
Totally.
You're bringing like-minded individuals or people who are curious about holistic wellness and sauna culture, and then like-minded people are brought together and they can share and then they connect, and it's like you build a community around that. And it's really beautiful.
Yeah, and then eventually a place where people can express and become comfortable.
Exactly.
As well.
Yeah, everyone's here for different reasons. Some people are just here, I'm here for the ice. Where's the ice? And I was like, okay, I'll go get you a bag. Let's do this. Right? And some people are like, oh, my friend told me about this place, and let's check it out. I'm here because I'm curious, right? And some people are just here for the community, and others have their own reasons. Some want to just escape. Some are looking for a reprieve from all the stress they're having in their daily life.
What we're trying to do here is build a space that people can come to after work, after a workout, and forget about their life for 2 hours and share that time with other people. Connor and I actually met, I think it must have been 2-3 years ago, right?
Yeah, 2 years ago when I moved to Vancouver.
Yeah, which for those who don't know, Connor's the youngest person to do an Ironman on all 6 continents, age of 26, right?
Yeah, but my bigger goal is to be the first person to do it on 7. So right now I'm training to do a long distance triathlon, the same distance as an Ironman in Antarctica.
And
Damn, dude.
wow.
And so cold plunging is going to be a big part of my life for the next year. So I'm really excited for this next chapter and can't wait to do some cold plunging and really delve into this whole realm.
And it's really cool to see the different types of people come in here and use the space differently. Never like cold, but that's why we do it. I feel like one of the only times I'm truly at peace is during an intense hot-cold cycle, when I get way too hot in the sauna. But then the feeling after you push through that uncomfortable experience is just bliss. I don't know if euphoria is the right word, probably hits one of the nails. Congrats on the 6-minute club, Brian. Beauty.
7 minutes.
When we decided that we wanted to do the spa in the back of our brewery, we did look into legal options. So the first problem we had was we were zoned as light industrial, which means you're not allowed a personal services business, and they wanted to consider a spa a personal services business. And then I tried to apply for an events permit for the backyard space, but according to the zoning, all your business activities have to stay inside of your building. So there's pretty much zero chance that the current secret spa location will ever be legal, as far as I understand. So if we do get shut down here, our only option is to move. But we want to move anyways. So ideally, we're going to have this location running, and we're going to find our next location we're going to do it legally.